If you own a 2016 to 2019 Cadillac CTS, you know that the interior is generally fantastic, but there's one spot that always shows its age first: the shift knob. That constant wear and tear on the center floor component can really detract from the luxury feel. This tiny upgrade claims to restore that factory freshness instantly, and after checking it out, I think it absolutely delivers. This is the automatic shift knob and boot combo, a direct replacement specifically engineered for the Cadillac CTS models, spanning 2016 through 2019. We are talking about a precise fit, confirmed by the included part numbers 23,107,739 and 23,460,364. When you are dealing with interior components, especially in a luxury vehicle, fitment is everything, and using OEM spec numbers gives you a lot of confidence right out of the gate. The key feature here is the material, genuine leather. This isn't some cheap vinyl substitute. When you're driving a Cadillac, the primary touchpoint for control needs to feel substantial and premium. The black leather is deep and rich, matching the standard interior aesthetic perfectly. The manufacturer emphasizes that this product is built to meet industry standards for quality control, and you can see that attention to detail in the stitching. It's tight, uniform, and looks durable, which is crucial because the shift boot is often the first thing to fray or tear. Replacing both the knob and the boot simultaneously is smart. It ensures a seamless transition and a uniform look, eliminating that mismatched appearance you get when you only replace one piece. This isn't about adding performance, it's about restoring the tactile experience. Every time you shift into drive or park, you want that solid, luxurious feel back. This component sits right there on the center floor, constantly visible, and upgrading it makes the whole cabin feel newer. If your current knob is sticky, faded, or the leather is peeling, this is a necessary restoration, not just a frivolous modification. It's a simple, black leather piece, but its impact on the overall interior presentation is huge. This is a high-quality, essential replacement that maintains the integrity and luxury standard of your CTS.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.